Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have a Lenovo Ideapad Gaming 3 laptop. This laptop comes with a GTX 1650, 8GB RAM. I made a video how to upgrade the RAM, the hard drive, and how to clean it up. Those links are in my video description. And in this video, I'm going to go over how you can replace the battery or remove the battery if yours is not holding up or you simply just want to remove it. All right. First thing first, you want to power off the laptop, close it completely, and I'm going to go over the tools that you need. It's really simple. You need a screwdriver set. I'll be using an UFIXTEK screwdriver set, and we're going to be using a bit number 1. For the opening tool, I'm going to be using a guitar pick. And metallic ones are really suitable to opening cases and covers. Alright, first thing first, on the bottom cover, you're going to realize that there's a whole bunch of screws. Don't worry about it, there's only 2 types of screws down here. The short ones are the front end of the laptop. Those are the short ones, there are 4 of them. And the medium ones are the 6 of them that is at the back, mid-back. So go ahead and remove all the screws and keep them in 2 different piles. Again, if you guys like my videos, if my videos are helping you guys to do your own upgrades and cleaning servicing, you can support the channel by clicking that like and subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it. It will be a great support for me to make more videos, take requests, and answer your questions in the comment area. Alright, now that we remove the screws, you can see I have them big pile and the short screw pile. Now what you want to do, you want to grab your opening tool and you want to stick it between the top and the bottom cover and the palm rest, just like that. And what you want to do, you want to just lift it up, wiggle it around, and you want to hear that big click. That means it's already lifting up. You want to do the same thing on the side. Go work yourself through, lift it up. You're going to see that opening right there. Pretty much I'm just wiggling it out about 1 or 2 millimeters in. And what you want to do, the front end. Do the same thing on the front end. And go ahead to the right or your left, depending where you start. And I already feel that the cover is coming out pretty much. So I'm going to stop. I'm going to put a face down, grab it from the front end, wiggle it around, and it will release the rest of the clips. And there we have it. Alright, the battery, you're going to see it right in front of you. Big battery right here. I can already feel it. There's a 1 cell right there. 2 cell right there, and 3rd cell. So there is a 3 cell batteries in here. There's a connector right here. But this one looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4 cell battery, but actually there's a 3 physical cells in there. To remove the battery is really simple. First, you need to, people are like, okay, first let me go ahead and disconnect it. It's really hard to pull it right there because the cables are not gonna bend, they're really tough. So what we want to do, we want to remove the screws. 1 is right on the warranty label here, and 2 at the back. You don't actually lose the warranty if you remove the label or puncture. I don't know why they even put it. You can just go ahead and remove it if you want to, or puncture right through it. So 1 right there, another one right over here on the other side. 2 at the back. These screws are the same size and height, all 4 of them. Once you did that, just simply grab the battery, lift it up. Let me see if I'm missing one. There's a little tiny clip down here. I have the camera in front of me. You just push it back and the clip will get loose. Now you have it in this position. Pretty much you're going to change the battery anyway. So you can just simply gently pull this battery back and it will release the jack. There's no grips or clips or anything. It's really soft. You're not going to damage the cables or anything. Or if you want to be really paranoid, just put your fingernails at the side of the jack and pull it back. So does the same thing. Alright. The battery model name is an L19M3PF7. So I tried to get links for this one. This is an 11.4 volt, 4000 milliamp hour battery, 45 watt. Rated capacity is 3900 milliamp, 44 watt. Limited charging voltage 13.05. Right, I'll see if I can get you guys a link for this one. And clearly you can see the cells right here. 1, 2, 3 cells. Right, let's say that you got, by the way, the BIOS battery is right underneath. So if you want to remove the BIOS battery, just pull this jack backward and it will just come out. You do not need to replace this one. This is just for the BIOS. It pretty much doesn't get drained that easy. It takes about 6-7 years. Well, to put the new battery in, make sure the connectors that expose pins on the bottom side is facing down. Right, let's say that the positive, which is the red cable, facing the RAM, and the black one facing the hard drive. You want to bring it down, align it, and push it towards the motherboard, the jack. Then you want to just sit it down on the board, on the palm rest, and push it down and make sure it's in place. And the last thing would be to just put the bottom screws. Alright, once you put the battery in, it's very important that you grab the bottom cover, bring it on, straight down, and you want to push down the corners and make sure that you hit that big click in here. Okay, once you hear this one in here, last thing is to put the bottom screws at the front end and the medium ones towards the mid, towards the back. Alright, so I'm not gonna waste time to do this, just gonna finish it up. If you guys have any questions or requests, feel free to leave them in a video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. And if you like this video, click that like and subscribe to support the channel. I'll greatly appreciate it. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.